Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Polynomials. Here question has given us this expression 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square, and question is just asking us to factorize this. Now guys, we are going to factorize this taking the help of this identity. With this identity x plus y whole cube, we are going to factorize this. What does this identity is saying? This identity is saying that x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Now taking the help of this identity, we are going to solve this given expression. Okay, now let me tell you, like, okay, let this one be left hand side of this identity and this one be the right hand side of this identity. One thing guys, just keep in mind, the question has given us the right hand side of this identity. If you look here to the question and if you compare with the right hand side of the identity, question has given us the right hand side of the identity and we are going to reach towards the left hand side of the identity. We are going to derive towards the left hand side of the identity with the help of the right hand side of the identity. Now let us see how we can do this. So let a cube, let x cube is equal to 8a cube. Just I'm assigning, looking at the identity and looking at the given expression, just I'm assigning let x cube is equal to 8a cube. Therefore I can write x is equal to 2a. Hope guys I'm very clear till here. How 2a? Because 2 into 2 into 2 is 8 and a into a is a cube. So question has given us x cube. So and we have considered let x cube is equal to 8a cube. Therefore x is equal to 2a. Similarly let y cube is equal to b cube. Let y cube is equal to b cube. Therefore y is equal to b. Guys, just we are taking out the root cube. We are taking out the root cube so that we are getting the answers like this. X cube is equal to 8a cube. Then x is equal to 2a. When y cube is equal to b cube, y is equal to b. Now keeping this in mind, let us move ahead. And as I told you, we will be focusing on the right hand side of the given expression. So right hand side of the given expression, let us rewrite it. X cube plus right hand side of the given identity, I am rewriting x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. This is what is the right hand side of this identity. Or I can write, or this is equal to x cube, I can write x to the power cube like this after bracket plus y after bracket I can write to the power 3 plus 3 into, similarly I will put x with brackets and I will write power to the power 2 and I will also put y within the bracket plus 3 into x into y to the power 2. This is what I have rewritten the identity, right hand side of the identity like this. Hope guys I'm very clear till here. Now let's see what we can do in the next step. Now just I'm going to refill, I'm going to reuse, I'm going to use these values. We got the value of x as 2a and we got the value of y as b. So keeping this thing in mind, I'm going to re-enter these values here in this step. With the values here that we got for as per the identity, I'm going to reuse the values that I have got above. Now I can write or replace the values, or I can write, or that is equal to, here the value of x is 2a. So instead of x I'm writing 2a to the power 3 plus y. Instead of y I'm writing b to the power 3 plus 3 into 2a to the power 2, because the value of x is 2a into y, that means into b, plus 3 into 2a into b to the power 2, or that is equal to, I can write, what I can write now, we got 2a to the power 3 plus b to the power 3 plus 3 into 2a square b plus 3 into 2a into b square. Guys, if you compare this thing with our identity, what is that we are getting? X plus y cube. This is nothing but x plus y cube. we know that x plus y cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. So I can write now, if we consider 2a as x as we have considered above, and bq as y, and this one as x and this one as y, this one as x and this one as y. So I can rewrite the given expression now as x plus y whole cube, that is 2a plus b whole cube. Hope guys I'm very clear till here. What we did initially, we started with the right hand side of the identity and we tried to convert it looking at the given expression. So, and what we considered, looking at the given expression, we considered let x cube is equal to 8a cube. If x cube is equal to 8a cube, then x is equal to 2a. Similarly, we assumed y cube is equal to b cube, therefore y is equal to b. From here, we picked up the values of x and y and we utilized it within the identity. Hope guys I'm very clear till here. Or I can write that is equal to 2a plus b whole cube. I can write 2a plus b into 2a plus b into 2a plus b. Guys, this is our answer. So what we got when we solved the given expression, we got the answer as 2a plus b whole cube, which is nothing but 2a plus b into 2a plus b into 2a plus b. Hope guys I'm very clear till here, and hope guys you understood this. If you still have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.